Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing a Labubu nail, or Lafufu, because it's not real, not genuine. Whatever you want to call it, we are going to give it a go and hopefully have some fun. It's a first for me, so I'm going to be using a little bit of AcryGel and create a cute little monster. So if you want to learn how to create the trending Labubu nail, then just keep watching. First, we're going to use Cocobana for the base of this nail. You can pick any colour you want, but I just decided that this was my favourite colour today. I have moulded out with some AcryGel, some different size beads, and basically popping them onto the nail now to create different shapes. This does take a very long time because the AcryGel is very sticky. I've had to keep it extremely wet to do this, and using the silicone pen stick here, whatever you want to call it, it just helps to move it about without it sticking to my fingers. Don't mind me getting all excited about this. I'm just using Petal Perfect here for the face, hands and feet. The base of the eyes is Snow White, and then I've used the Serious Black gel polish just for the outer edges and the detail. You want to make sure that for this detail on the face you're using a really small and fine nail art brush. Now that you've hopefully finished the eyes, mouth and the teeth, we're going to use Amethyst Full for the nose, as this is going to be the base of his body colour as well. For the rosy cheeks, I'm going to use Barbie's Dream. Now you're going to use Amethyst Full again, and we're going to cover one thin layer all over his body. This is her so far. How freaking cute. Because I don't have any fluff to actually create like a proper fluffy effect, I'm going to attempt to use Blue Lilac Marble, try and do like a dip method, but we'll see how that goes because you never know, could go horribly wrong. Let's now do our second layer of Amethyst Full to create some light and shade on this little dude. I don't know if you can see, but on the feet I'm just going to dab some like small pads to their feet. It is also absolutely sweltering hot at the minute as I'm doing this. It's about 30 degrees outside and currently 6 o'clock in the evening. so that's fun. So that's kind of the vibe we've got so far. I haven't cured it yet, and I'm going to go in with Barbie's Dream and just do some brush, like, I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to explain it. It's got like a bristled end, and using the bristles, I'm just going to dab, and it's going to create this kind of like, you can't even really see it, but it's just going to create like a bristled brush effect. I'm just going to dab, basically just doing some patch work with that. I'm going to show you a little close up in a second, because you trying to watch me from here is just not cutting it, is it? I'm going to show you now a little bit of a closer up of what I'm doing now that I've explained it. You'll be able to see a little bit better now what I mean. I just want the pink to look patchy on our little friend. So it's just going to be hints of colour. The main colour is going to be purple. The Cocobana background, it looks cute against, so I'm just going to go with it. And you don't have to do fluff effect. I'm going to try the acrylic just to give texture, but I mean, you could just leave it like this. Not a problem. And you can do this on a smaller version, you know, it doesn't have to be this big. Okay, so now that you've placed the colour where you want it, top coat, and because I don't want anything touching the face, I don't want any texture to the face, I just want that to stay as it is. We're going to leave it like so. So I'm only going to top coat the face, and then we're going to put the rest of the body in as it is. We are going to open up our acrylic powder. This is really pretty. So it's already marbled basically, so in future if you ever want to use a marbled acrylic powder so you don't have to do the work, then this is your guy. We want to make some toes, basically. Some little, like, Monster Munch toes. Not mad at that. Just putting on the hands. It's really tricky to work with. So I'm just going to use my metal tool, but the fingers are hard to do. I'm just using Petal Perfect again now, just to cover over the hands and the feet. So I might just put something on the background of the nail and then we'll be finished.
You and me.
that's it. I am like so happy with how that came out. It was better than I thought originally in my head. If you decide to create a Labubu nail, please tag us on Instagram with your Labubu nails so we can see your designs and see how you did. Once again, it's been a pleasure and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.